Riviere, a premium development located at Joachim Street, fondly remembered by many as the location of the former Zouk, with its breathtaking view of Singapore River. Developed by Frasers and designed by SCDA, this will be a stunning new icon in Robertson Quay. It is within 5 minutes drive from Central Business District and 10 minutes to popular shopping belt such as Orchard Road. Riviere is also located in between two future MRT stations, Great World and Havelock stations. I'm here to share these special relaunch promotional prices on selected units released by Frasers recently, with huge savings from $99,000 to more than $500,000. Recently, more than 10 units were sold over a weekend as investors took advantage of the huge discounts. Some of these luxury units are priced as low as $2,307 per square foot. Now is the best opportunity for you to grab a Singapore river-facing unit here in Riviere. Take action now while these highly sought-after promotional units are still available. Limited stock. Speak to any of our PropNext salesperson to take advantage of the attractive pricing at Riviere.